Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 4. AWS Big Data Storage. Services. Lesson 4 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course covers AWS services for storing and managing data in your big data solutions. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data Storage Overview, an Introduction to Data Storage Concepts and the importance of choosing the right storage solution for your big data needs. 2. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. An in-depth look at Amazon S3, a highly scalable and durable object storage service. You'll learn about S3 features, storage classes, and best practices for using S3 in big data solutions. 3. Amazon Glacier, an overview of Amazon Glacier, a low-cost storage service designed for archiving and long-term data retention. You'll learn about Glacier's features, pricing, and use cases. 4. Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store. An introduction to Amazon EBS, a block storage service for use with Amazon EC2 instances. You'll learn about EBS volumes, snapshots, and best practices for using EBS in big data solutions. 5. Amazon EFS, Elastic File System. An overview of Amazon EFS, a scalable file storage service for use with Amazon EC2 instances. You'll learn about EFS features, performance, and use cases. 6. AWS Storage Gateway. An introduction to AWS Storage Gateway. A hybrid cloud storage service that enables on-premises applications to use AWS Cloud storage seamlessly. 7. Data Storage Best Practices. Best practices for storing and managing data in your big data solutions, including data organization, encryption, and data lifecycle management. 8. Case Studies. Real-world case studies of organizations using AWS storage services in their big data solutions, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for storing and managing data in your big data solutions. You will be prepared to move on to the next lesson, which covers data processing and analysis on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.